Does your value stream take longer lead time and process time than expected? Do you face challenges while optimizing your value stream? Do you know that with the SAFe DevOps training cum certification program, you can understand how you can optimize your value stream by identifying the bottlenecks and remove these bottlenecks by continuous exploration, continuous integration, continuous deployment, and release on demand. The 2 days of SAFe DevOps class enables participants in technical, non-technical, and leadership roles to collaborate in order to fully optimize their value stream. SAFe DevOps training cum certification program will be defined for learners along with the reasons why each role needs it, and they will develop a continuous delivery pipeline that is unique to their company. To map the current condition of their value stream from concept to cash, identify major flow bottlenecks, and create an effective implementation strategy that will hasten the benefit of DevOps in their firm, learners will collaborate in cross-functional teams. The operation, development, and testing teams are the target audience for the SAFe DevOps Practitioner certification training course. SAFe DevOps Practitioner is the main individual in charge of leading the team towards a DevOps model to enhance their process flow from idea to solution through a continuous delivery pipeline. DevOps tool can be used to continuously explore new ideas, integrate new ideas into solution, prepare solution for deployment, and perform release on demand while making sure that testing and security checks contribute to the development of a solid solution and instilling a sense of shared accountability among the teams. You can rely on Advanced Agility as your career partner because Advanced Agility is a accredited gold partner from Scaled Agile. Advanced Agility has trainers with more than 20 years of industry experience, and we provide 2 days of training with experts who assure 100% passing result, extensive and highly interactive mock exam to prepare you for the final exam, one-to-one mentoring by our trainers to improve your knowledge, 16 PDUs for PMIs and 16 SEUs, detailed down-labeled courseware approved by Scaled Agile, 1-year membership to the SAFe community platform. The fee you pay to Advanced Agility contains your SAFe DevOps exam fee as well as your 2 days course fee as well. Let's look at the few benefits of SAFe DevOps Practitioner training cum certification program. You will learn how to use Agile software methodology to execute and release value using Agile Release Train throughout the 2 days SAFe DevOps training cum certification program. Use SAFe DevOps technology to create an Agile manifesto. Organize the team business to make the switch from a conventional to a lean Agile paradigm. Understand the lean Agile mindset. Apply the ideas you have learned in practice to help Agile teams and programs. Adopt the DevOps culture to establish a continuous delivery pipeline. Coordinate large solutions. Boost communication between IT operation and development. Boost development frequency and its effectiveness. Increase innovation and risk taking by making experimentation safer. Get quicker time to market. Increase solution caliber, reducing the duration of the fix cycle. The severity and frequency of release failure should be lessened. The topics we covered in the class, we start with introducing DevOps. We learn how to map your value stream. We identify the existing value stream, identify process time, lead time, and percent complete and accurate in your existing value stream. We go with alignment with continuous exploration, followed by building quality with the continuous integration. We also learned how to reduce the time to market with continuous deployment. And lastly, we also discussed delivering business value with release on demand. And then we take some action. We identify improvement item. We prioritize improvement item. And we also understand the step we can take forward to implement those improvement items. And lastly, with the last chapter, we talk about how we will move forward after the completion of these 2 days of class. We talk about your exam preparation, we talk about your practice exam, your final exam, your certification, your annual fee, your license validation, your community access, and multiple toolkit access, which you can use once you will clear the exam. So why to wait? Check it out, the Advanced Agility web page, which is mentioned below, and book your class today with our expert. Thank you.